Welcome, local policymakers and civic leaders, to this explainer. Look, today we're diving into something way beyond your standard tech updates or basic software tools. We are enthusiastically framing artificial intelligence as a macro sociological tool. Think of it like a profoundly powerful instrument that's capable of decoding the complex societal puzzle of your specific municipalities. We're talking everything from shifting neighborhood demographics and hidden resource gaps right down to rapidly evolving job markets. If you want to deeply understand the changing fabric of your city, predict its economic future, and govern with unprecedented foresight, well, AI seamlessly integrated with sociological principles is absolutely your key.
Here is a quick look at our briefing overview today. 1. AI as a policy tool. 2. Urban labor trends. 3. Modern policing. 4. Social equity risks. And 5. Sociological safeguards.
Section 1. AI as a policy tool.
Okay, let's establish a shared baseline vocabulary here. When we talk about sociology in the age of AI, we're defining the integration of advanced algorithms to analyze massive amounts of data, decode intricate social structures, and ultimately inform equitable policymaking. In practice, decoding these structures means going way beyond just looking at simple census data. It means understanding exactly how zoning laws might be inadvertently affecting local healthcare access, or how public transit routes actually correlate with regional economic mobility. By integrating AI, sociology transforms into this incredibly dynamic, data-driven science. It offers us a much deeper understanding of the complex tapestry of our society, allowing you, as leaders, to uncover completely hidden trends in community development and public health well before they become apparent to the naked eye.
Think about the practical contrast between manual processing and advanced algorithmic tools. It's kind of like comparing a horse and buggy to a bullet train, right? On one hand, manual civic data processing moves at a snail's pace. In any modern city, the sheer scale of municipal data is simply overwhelming to process by hand. That inevitably leads to agonizingly slow analysis and consequently reactive policies that only address problems after they've already escalated. But on the other hand, AI-driven sociological analysis acts with lightning speed. It can seamlessly process massive unstructured datasets rapidly. This allows your administration to detect subtle trends early and pivot away from crisis management toward informed, proactive policymaking. This fusion of tech and civic governance lets us better understand and actually guide the very dynamics governing everyday urban life.
Section 2. Urban labor and employment trends.
For city planners, mayors, and local governments, AI offers a level of macroeconomic strategic foresight that was literally impossible to achieve before. It's a real game changer that equips us with powerful, predictive tools to anticipate future urban dynamics. By processing millions of variables, algorithms can forecast major shifts in urbanization and track incredibly granular incoming or outgoing migration patterns. Crucially, and this is a big one, it allows you to analyze local labor markets and long-term employment trends. You can see exactly which industries are contracting in specific zip codes and decipher the very real social mobility of your residents. This synergy doesn't just help you understand what your city looks like today. It actively prepares your infrastructure, your tax base, and your workforce for the long-term economic challenges of tomorrow. We actually achieve this level of foresight through emerging fields like visual sociology, which literally examines society through images. Consider the massive cultural and economic leap from the 2000s, an era dominated by physical media like CDs and desktop computers, to today's landscape, which is entirely dominated by cloud computing, the gig economy, and the ubiquitous smartphone. By analyzing millions of these visual data points, like how spaces are used, what objects are in homes, or how people commute, AI maps out massive cultural shifts. It helps us not only see how our world has transformed physically, but predicts potential future changes in social evolution and remote labor habits that will directly impact your city planning. Section 3. Modern policing and surveillance.
So, let's examine the exact sequential workflow of how AI maximizes efficiency for law enforcement. First up, we have metadata tagging. Instead of officers spending hours on desk duty, algorithms automatically identify and label digital evidence. Second, audio transcription tools convert speech from thousands of hours of body camera video into instantly searchable text databases, saving departments thousands of man-hours. Third, predictive modeling utilizes historical data and statistical models to forecast shifting crime trends across different neighborhoods. And fourth, this entire pipeline opens the door to objective use of force analysis. These specific advancements allow law enforcement to sift through an absolute ocean of civic data safely, swiftly, and incredibly effectively.
And there's actually some incredible research coming out of Princeton University pioneering this exact space in highly practical ways. They're applying machine learning specifically to police body camera footage to identify, analyze, and understand use of force incidents more objectively. What makes this so compelling is that it provides a balanced computational and sociological perspective to civic policing. By using an impartial algorithm to analyze these highly sensitive interactions, it ensures that as AI expands its role in law enforcement, it offers more insightful, neutral, and analytical methods that protect both officers and citizens alike.
Section 4. Algorithms and social equity. Now, understanding the structural threats to social equity is absolutely essential for any civic leader. As AI systems actively disseminate content and make municipal decisions, they carry a severe risk of amplifying misinformation and harmful stereotypes. We also face massive privacy risks and personal data breaches that threaten the fundamental confidentiality of citizens. Furthermore, algorithms often create rigid echo chambers by consistently serving up homogeneous information, deliberately limiting exposure to diverse, community-building viewpoints. Finally, and really, this is the most critical part for local policy, AI acts as a new kind of social institution for sorting and profiling. It fundamentally decides who gets resources, who gets noticed, and who gets marginalized, which can so easily perpetuate historical biases.
Here is the core mechanical flaw that civic leaders must be constantly aware of. AI learns from the past. Because it inherently learns by retaining and reproducing vast amounts of historical data, it can entirely unknowingly hardwire past cultural biases directly into future civic policies. Over time, this dynamic creates a profound and systemic risk of continually disadvantaging historically underrepresented minority groups. It literally takes the inequalities and the blind spots of the past, codifies them as objective data, and automates them right into our future.
So, it begs the question, how do we prevent AI from perpetuating historical biases in our municipalities? How do we ensure these incredibly powerful tools build a genuinely better future, rather than just flawlessly repeating a flawed past?
Section 5. Navigating ethical AI integration.
This is where sociology offers a rigorous, structured approach to analyzing society that algorithmic development desperately needs right now. By looking back to foundational sociological thinkers like W.E.B. Du Bois, who meticulously mapped the lived realities of marginalized communities, and George Herbert Mead, who explored how human identity is formed through personal social interactions, we remember the critical importance of individual choices. Pure computational data often treats citizens as identical, invisible numbers. But when we integrate these deep sociological theories into our AI development, we ensure our algorithms are bound by frameworks that fundamentally respect human individualism. For local government policymakers, these are your actionable safeguards. First, you've got to actively demand that municipal algorithm design respects individualism and accounts for human nuance. Second, mandate a holistic perspective that connects various social phenomena for deep research rather than looking at civic data points in complete isolation. Third, be exceptionally rigorous about minimizing bias in any curated educational or civic information distributed by AI. And finally, you must always balance the push for operational efficiency with the absolute necessity of maintaining an equitable society. Because at the end of the day, a fast, technologically advanced city is only a true success if it is also a fair and just city.
As you integrate these powerful algorithmic tools into your governance, you face a defining choice. Will your city's AI be deliberately structured to deeply understand and decode the societal puzzle for the economic and social betterment of all your citizens? Or will it simply be allowed to quietly automate the past's mistakes?